Graph f of x equal to 2 times the absolute value of x minus 4 plus 1. In order to graph this function, I'm going to refer to the general form. So here I can see that my a value is 2, my h value is 4, and then my k value is 1. The first thing that I have to do in order to graph an absolute value function with all of these shifts is to plot the vertex. The vertex is at hk. So here h is going to be positive 4 and k is going to be positive 1. Remember that your h value is the opposite of what we see. So since here I'm seeing a negative 4, I'm going to get a positive 4. K remains the same. If it's plus 1, we get a positive 1. If it says negative, then we grab the negative. This one does not change. So here k, we're going to grab 1. And now I'm going to go ahead and plot the vertex 4, 1. So beginning at the origin, I'm going to go 4 units to the right, and then I'm going to go up 1 unit. And I get here this point. That's my vertex. I'm going to create the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is going to cut my vertex vertically. And that's going to help me reflect the points once I use the slope to graph one diagonal. So my a value is 2, so I'm going to go up 2 to the right 1. Beginning at the vertex, I'm going to go up 2 to the right 1. And I'm going to repeat this process, up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1, up 2 to the right 1. Now that I plotted as many points as possible, I'm going to begin to reflect each one of these points. The first one is 1 distance away from the axis of symmetry, so the reflection has to also be 1 distance away from the axis of symmetry. The next point is 2 distances away, so I have to go over 2 distances away to reflect it appropriately. And then repeating this process, I'm going to get these 2 points on the left as well. Now that I have all of my points, I can connect them, and this would be the graph of the function 2 multiplied with the absolute value of x minus 4 plus 1.